Conversation 1.
Do you have a pet?
I do. I have a dog, and I also have a cat.
Oh, really? I have a cat as well.
Really? What color?
My cat is black.
My cat is black too.
Conversation 2.
What do you do?
I am a teacher.
Cool. I am a teacher too.
Really? What do you teach?
I teach math.
No way! I also teach math.
Conversation 3.
What shows do you like?
I like Game of Thrones.
I love that show too.
Who's your favorite character?
I really like Jon Snow.
I like him as well.
Conversation 4.
Where do you live?
I live downtown,
So do I. Where?
by the station.
Me too. I live on B Street.
Get out of here. I do as well.